Keep track of birthdays with Google Calendar, a beginner's guide. Google Calendar helps you stay organized and on top of important events, including your friends and family members' birthdays. With seamless integration with Google Contacts, adding birthdays to your calendar is a breeze. In this guide, we'll walk you through 2 methods to add, remove, and hide birthdays on Google Calendar. Google Contacts offer a quick and easy way to add birthdays to your calendar. Here's how to add birthdays on mobile. Open Google Contacts, select a contact, and tap Edit, the pencil icon. Add a significant date, enter birthday, and select Birthday, and tap Save, showing birthdays on mobile. Open Google Calendar and tap the hamburger button, the 3 lines. Scroll down and select Birthdays, adding birthdays on the desktop. Visit the Google Contacts website, edit contact, enter birthday next to the birthday cake icon, and click Save, showing birthdays on desktop. Visit the Google Calendar website and select the checkbox next to birthdays. For more control over birthday events, create custom events in Google Calendar. Here's how to add custom events. Click or tap on the relevant date, customize event template, and set recurring events with reminders. Easily remove or hide birthdays from Google Calendar too. Here's how to remove birthdays. Edit contact in Google Contacts and remove birthdays. To hide birthdays, deselect the checkbox next to birthdays in Google Calendar and save the changes. By following these simple steps, you shall never miss a birthday again. Google Calendar will keep you organized and ensure you're always prepared to wish your loved ones a happy birthday.